With the TestRail Enterprise plan, your team can enable a test case review process, ensuring that test cases are not added to test runs without being approved first, and helping make all test cases meet organizational standards. This collaborative process makes it easy for teams to add confidence to the testing process by building a test case library that accurately defines your application. Test case review and approval is optional for each project, and you can enable it in the project settings when creating or editing a project. Just tick the Enable Test Case Approvals box and save the project. Besides enabling it, administrators will also need to ensure there is an active role that can approve the test cases. This permission can be found in the Role settings, under Users and Roles. Go to the role you want to give that permission, scroll down to Additional Permissions, and enable Test Case Approval for that role. Once enabled, test cases will have an additional status field with 3 default options. Design, which will be set on any new or edited test cases. Review, for test cases that have been completed but not yet approved by a team lead. And Ready, which means it's ready to be used in test runs and plans. You can also edit these or create your own custom statuses as needed. Just navigate to Customizations and go to the Case Statuses tab. There you will find the default statuses to edit, or go and create a new one. For example, you can create a deprecated status for test cases that have newer versions and should not be used. Along with built-in statuses, Test Case Review can now be assigned to team members. Just go to the test case and click on Change under People and Status. In the dialog, select Review, and then select a team member in the drop-down menu. You can also provide comments to give additional context. This, coupled with the filtering options, helps test designers and leads easily locate any cases that need their attention. It is also easy to spot any test cases that are in a non-approved state by a little paper icon with a green pen next to the test case title. Once a test case is ready for use, any team member with approval permissions can update the test case to Ready, indicating it has all the necessary information to be used in test runs. With the review and approval process enabled, when creating a new test run and choosing the Include All Test Cases option, this will only include test cases that are in the approved and ready state. Please note, if you opt to select individual test cases when creating a run or plan, users will be able to select test cases that are not in the final approved status, but these are easily filtered out if necessary. Just select the status filter, choose Ready, and apply the filter by clicking on Set Selection.